Hi, I'm Jack. It's my body you see in these short video recordings, but it's not me talking. I have had the honor of channeling Lazaris for more than 45 years, actually since 1974. Familiar or not with Lazaris, most of you are familiar with channeling. Decades ago it was called trans-mediumship or trans-channeling, and people referred to Edgar Cayce or Jane Roberts or the like. Now it's just channeling, and for me, it's a process of getting out of the way. It is like meditation, but it's other than that. I enter a deep meditation, a depth of meditations, that's true, and then somehow I go deeper, or I go somewhere other that is best called a trance. It's dreamlike, akin to being unconscious. I have a specific technique that I use, and I use it every time. Lazaris uses my body as a conduit or a channel to flow love and light and understanding, and more profoundly to channel energy so that we can awaken all of this and more within ourselves and more fully know who we are and more fully know who we are becoming. I get out of the way so that he can channel his love for humankind and also his love for us, individually, for us. And if we are willing and if we will allow, we can be touched by that love. Our soul can be touched by that love, and we can change and grow and evolve, not by suffering and struggling, but by allowing and receiving. To me, that's what channeling is, and that's what Lazaris is all about. Lazaris is not a guru or a master, and he has never asked us for our power or for our trust. He is a friend who reminds us that we are loved. Lazaris is a friend who can accompany us on our journey coming home, and that sacred journey can be more meaningful and more elegant in that friendship.